Hi, it's me again with Corel Draws Tips and Tricks. I'm a little bit confused. He sent me the shape of this wrap, and I'm thinking he's going to want it this way. I'm going to delete all that. Well, I don't want to delete that. Let me. This is the shape of the wrap, but I don't think that he wants it this way because then you wouldn't be able to read it because it would go all the way around. So I'm thinking he wants it more like this. So I'm going to. This will just not go into that shape. Even if we group it together and get the envelope tool, and then it just won't go in. Well, let's use this other envelope tool, go to effect, because it's kind of already maybe already did it as an envelope, but if you do it like that, it looks terrible. So I decided two things. I got some garbage there. Maybe let me go up to, I've been playing around with this, break the curve apart, get rid of that. Then I'm going to take this shape. I'm going to do it this way, where it would be more readable. So what I'm going to do, let me just get rid of all this. I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from there, 2-point line, and go from there to there. This way I can make it longer now, and I can have that line. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it, and then put that line here. And that gives me a center point, because now I can take this line and Control D and duplicate it and move the rotation to there. And let's rotate it 15 degrees. And then we could take that and Control D. That's the only thing I don't like about Control D. It'll anticipate where you want it. So let's put this now there. And now we have a shape. So we can take our Smart Fill tool and fill in that shape. Must have a little leak. That line must not go all the way to the bottom. So I can take my line and it'll elongate it and take that shape. I'm thinking this is the shape you want to put it in. So what I need to do is take his graphic and get rid of this curve. So I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and I'm going to grab the text. See, it's not a curve now, but this has some problems because of the fact, and you can see I was playing around with it. Let me just fix this real quick. These sidebars are already kind of curved like the cone. So I'm going to make an ellipse kind of about that size. I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to get rid of that ellipse and then bring that one back. Of course, if you're doing this for real, you'd want to measure, and also we need to go, because my ellipse is a little differently, I need to go more in the center. Then I'm going to Control D and move that over, holding down the control button, at least it's level. And I'm going to get rid of this box. And if we look under wireframe, the box is still there. So I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete that box. Now I'm going to fill I'm just going to make them black. Well, I can't make them black. I'm using somebody else's, well, I'm using his file. Let's make them, oh, I forgot I was under wireframe. Let's go to enhance, there we go. And let's get out of the, so there we have that. Now, let's put that kind of in the center, and let's hit C, well, I didn't have that grouped. So let's group that together and then grab all this and hit C. I didn't group them, I guess. Okay, see, at least it's leveled now. Now let's take this envelope form. Let's left click, right click, and let's group this together, Control G, and grab our make envelope from this shape. And now I didn't keep my full envelope form. Let's tell you what, let's do this. And see, this way, it appears to be, with a little bit of moving around. And this would be a very good one to, I EC'd it, but I'm going to set my nudge factor. He does use millimeter. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2 millimeters, and I'm just going to nudge it down. And I evidently didn't get that box, which is fine. So that's what it would look like. I don't think he's going to want it like this, because if you had it like this, if you wrapped it around this cone, you wouldn't be able to read it. And of course, he's on the other side of the world, so he will let me know if this was what he was thinking. Anyway, I hope that helped it a little bit. Thank you for watching.